Well, some local students are learning all about life on a college campus thanks to Toledo Excel.
Yeah, it's a scholarship program that helps so many students prepare for success at the next level in college. Our Alexis Means has more on what those kids are experiencing.
All of these things that I'm teaching you, you need to learn them for your real life.
They're not even out of high school, but these students are getting a jump on the college experience.
I like the classes because they're introducing us to something that you wouldn't do every day at school. Like we had robotics today. 15-year-old Olivia that was just accepted into the University of Toledo Excel program, a program that gives minority students a chance to experience higher education. There are 56 students in the new class called Basics Plus. They live on campus, eat on campus, and take classes. They also have UT faculty working with them in the morning and classes in the afternoon.
Well, we have a great partnership and collaboration with the engineering college here at the university, and so their mornings they are actually taking some engineering courses that are tailored for them. The curriculum is tailored for them, but the College of Engineering puts it together for us.
The students are on campus for 2 weeks. Olivia encourages other 8th graders to join the program.
If you're serious and you think that you want to go to college, that it's a great opportunity. Even if you don't get in, it's good to have the experience.
In Toledo, Alexis Means, 13 ABC Action News.
And for more information on the Toledo Excel program, log on to 13abc.com and click the link to this story.